Hey guys, this video I'm gonna show you the best of ChatGPT. That is 3.5. Already 3.4 is under customized with for OpenAI. But today I'm going to show you the importance of ChatGPT. Example: I want it to create create an animated register form that will display two password inputs using HTML, CSS, and JS. Just wait a little and see what ChatGPT can do. Already the ChatGPT has finished its work. You can see the JavaScript, you can see the CSS and the HTML. Wait, let us go to our code space. So you can see we are in our code space. Let me add the boiling point, which is the HTML5. Oh, log in. Then the style space, style, and the scripts. Then under the body, I will display it. Should I add the form? You can see it. It has two passwords. So let me go and copy the CSS side. Then see the CSS side. You can see it. Whoa, that's nice. Let us go for the HTML, JS, which is JavaScript. Then the scripts. You can see it. Really cool. Whoa, we can see. Okay, let me show you whether it works. My email. You can see the password do not match. Thanks for watching this my video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thanks.